Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is how to move to Amsterdam from Australia, and there's a few different ways. The first one obviously is sponsored work. It tends to work with professional level jobs where the organization is willing to go to the effort of making the application for you to the immigration department. There is a shortage of highly skilled workers in Amsterdam and Holland generally, so there is quite a lot of work there if you know where to look. And to find those kind of jobs, but it does tend to be professional level, so it have to be something that where you're already in the industry, or something that's a kind of white collar job. Something you ought to check as well as your ancestry rights. I mean, I know an Australian guy in Amsterdam and he was able to move there. One of my friends, because he could claim British citizenship due to his ancestry rights. So if you've got any kind of European ancestry, then it's definitely worth checking out whether you could get dual citizenship, because that would then allow you to live and work in the whole European Union, including Amsterdam and Holland, and would be really, really handy. There may also be a working holiday visa scheme. I'm not sure on that one, but maybe worth looking into. Reason I'm not sure is because things do change quite a lot in that regard, but that would be for young people, probably if you're only if you're under 30, between 18 to 30, those things typically tend to be. Of course, you can also go there as a student, but that's likely to be just temporary. But you can often work there while you're a student. So and potentially you could score some kind of sponsored job while you're there anyway. So that may be another route for you. Anyway, look, if you want to move to Amsterdam, you're determined to move there. I want to show you something. It's this website I put a link to down below in the description box. Click on that link. It'll take you to what is considered like the Bible of moving to Holland, okay, including Amsterdam. And it's a really, really good, amazing site. Has everything you need to know, what to do before, what to do during, what to do after as soon as you land there, how to get a bank account, social security number, how to find a job, how to network, how to do so many different things. Everything that you need to know when you're moving country and when you're moving specifically to Holland. So check it out. I think it can really help you. Just click on the link down there, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.